So as you guys can see here, just real close, here's the actual module. That's connected, that's disconnected, that's connected, that is disconnected. So if you guys are having that buzzing sound in your dash, I honestly looked everywhere. I could not find anybody who had this issue. Some people said it was some sort of fan or something like that, and then finally traced it down to right there. Значит, проблема была, хуйню снимаешь, вот так вот, снял. Вот этот фильтр, воздушный фильтр. То есть воздух идет снаружи, вниз, через этот мотор, проходит сюда, идет наверх, или вниз выходит, или обратно наверх выходит через AC System. Тут есть два мотора, нижний моторчик и вот верхний мотор. И верхний мотор просто отсоединил, надо будет заказать новый, чтобы просто все то, что он делает, это он меняет воздух вниз или вверх, это все. Вот, и теперь, когда включаешь машину, наконец этого звука нету, потому что полностью он отключен. Hey guys, just want to quickly show you if you're having issues with your module, it's the air module making noise in the 4Runners. There's a temporary fix you can do, which is just essentially disconnect that plug right there. It's right where that cabin air filter is. The sound that it makes is like that. Sounds like a buzzing sound. Okay guys, so there's actually two modules, so I apologize. I gave you the wrong module. It's not that one there. I unplugged that one first, and I thought this was causing the sound, but it's actually this one here. And then there is the part number for you. So what I'm going to be doing is ordering a replacement module, one of these. I believe it's like $170, and then it looks like it's pretty actually simple to swap out. Just a few bolts, and then one way up there as well, and then I think one down there. So I'm going to try to do this with to not take apart the entire dash. It's actually very simple because all you have to do is lower the glove box, and then there's this panel. It sits like this. So there's just like 4 screws, one here, one there, one over there, one over there. And then this whole thing, you remove it, you get access to the air filter, which I just replaced. Just push this tab in, this pulls out, put the new one in. But this is the actual module, and here is the connector for it. So temporarily, so it's not annoying, disconnect it, order the new one, swap it in, and then you can reconnect everything back. So that, I believe what this does is it routes the air from the floor to the top, something like that, some sort of motor. So yeah, that's it.